Hawaii, USA, the Aloha State, one of the world's most beautiful places. In this video, we are going to discuss when is the best time to visit Hawaii. And you might be thinking, anytime is the best time to visit Hawaii. And I can't find fault with that. But based on your goals and your interests, some months might be more ideal to visit Hawaii than others. For instance, if you love to surf, if you love to hang 10, then the months of January through March would be ideal and the best time to visit Hawaii. The ocean waves are at their peak. You can surf all year round in Hawaii, but if you're really wanting to hit the waves, want a challenge, if you love surfing, then the months of January through March would be the times that you would want to visit Hawaii. If you are budget conscious, want to save some money, flights are usually cheaper in January and September, and they're most expensive on average in June and December. If you're looking to save money on hotels, well, then the months of September and December might be the months to go. Hawaii is a travel destination for travelers all around the world, but it tends to get the most busy in the months of July and December. And September is the least busiest time to visit Hawaii. So if you don't like crowds, September might be the time that you go. If you love watching whales and you always wanted to observe humpback whales in the ocean migrating, then the months of January, February, and March would be the months to visit Hawaii. Now, Hawaii has great weather pretty much throughout the whole entire year, but they do have a rainy season. It rains more and the temps become cooler October through February. The nicest temperatures and the nicest weather usually occurs between March and September. On average, the temperatures are usually between anywhere from 73 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we factor in all these different variables such as cost, your budget, the temperatures, whether or not it's raining, how busy it is, then we come up with an ideal time to visit Hawaii. And that would be between the months of March and September. May would be a great month to visit Hawaii, and September might be better yet. You'll have great weather on average. You'll have some deals that you can find, and it might not be that crowded. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button, and get out there and enjoy the wonderful United States of America. Aloha.